favorite jam just popped back on the radio.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All you wanna hear is an every single replay. Sit right next to you.
You guys, one of the things that I really love is 90 Day Fiancé. What's going on, Favs? Okay, so that's one of my favorite things. I love 90 Day Fiancé. Yeah, I love 90 Day Fiancé. I think I've been watching it since the beginning. And Pedro and Chantel are a few of my favorites. I also am an Annie, and I can't think of his name. But anyway, so I have a few couples that I really, really like. So, oh my God, you guys, last night was amazing. Let me tell you. Okay, so last night I hosted my third Incubator experience, and oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, it was so awesome and amazing. And I am so happy about last night's outcome. Oh my God, it was so good. It was so good. There were times that I could have like really cried, seriously, because just beautiful moments. Beautiful moments. So I have not shared this part of my life with my faves on YouTube. So this might be a little bit of a lengthy video because I'm going to give you a glimpse of what the Incubator experience truly is. And what I'm doing and how I'm doing it right here in my city. And I'm excited. I don't know what God is going to do, but I was very obedient when I heard the Lord say, it was time for me to start working with women again. I used to work with women a very long time ago, and then I stopped and then only started working with children, young people. Now, God is taking me back to a full circle ministry. So now I'm working with women again, and I am so delighted. Although I still work in the school district, I am so delighted with what God is doing right now in my life with working and supporting women in my community. So, without further ado, I'm going to run this clip real quick and let you guys see my introduction to what the Incubator Experience is. That is a video that I show anytime we have a group that is getting ready to do the experience. I add this video, this clip. It's about 4 minutes. I add this video in so that you can see so the participants get a better understanding of what the incubator is, and so then they know what to expect. It's like for your expectation, what is the incubator? Now that you've agreed to come, this is what you've agreed to. So I'm going to show you guys that little clip, and then I'll be back, right back. Good evening, queens, sisters. Oh my God, ladies. Welcome to the introduction of the Incubator Experience. Ladies, I am so happy for you to be joining into this Incubator Experience. And I'm also beyond thrilled to be the facilitator of your journey. So, as I'm sure a lot of you have been wondering, what exactly is the Incubator Experience? Well, I want to take you on a very short visual journey, okay? So close your eyes and imagine the incubator that a newborn has to stay in while still in the hospital. You see, the incubator is a warm, small, intimate space that's reserved to keep a newborn well during a very crucial time in its very young life. So the incubator provides a space that is clean, that is warm, that is small, and that is safe. right? And it allows the newborn to get better. So for us ladies, the incubator experience is kind of like the incubator itself. Imagine some of your closest friends, sisters, cousins, relatives of mother, daughter, it doesn't matter. But imagine you ladies coming together for a night of healing and reconciling, not with each other, but with yourself. So, just like the newborn baby, we, ladies, will be creating our own safe, warm, sacred space, our own incubator. Together, we will talk and discuss about past traumas, hurt feelings. We will talk about issues of the heart, issues of the soul. We'll forgive, we'll be forgiven, and we will heal and begin again. Much like the incubator itself, once the evening is over, we will go and grow in our own separate, unique ways, but always holding on to that dear, sweet moment that we first began again. So, I am so elated, you guys, and so excited about the gift and the call. And I'm so excited about the vision that God has placed on my heart. And so each woman's experience is different and unique, but collectively we are journeying together this one intimate night of letting go of past traumas, relationship drama, whatever has been holding you back, whatever has been hurting you. Tonight we're going to release it all and begin again. All right? We're going to talk about things that are most important to us. We're going to strategize and come together with real ways to solve our issues, problems, concerns, so that we can journey on to our best versions of ourselves. Okay, Fav, so what did you think, right? So that is just the introduction video that I use once we get a party that has planned to have an incubator. On Facebook Messenger, we have a thread together, and that is the first video. The first time most of the ladies actually meet me is by video, and that's the video clip. So now I'm going to show you real life footages and videos from the 3 incubators that I have facilitated over the last 3 weeks. Like, it is really taking off. I'm really excited. I have another one scheduled for the second week in August. And I'm so excited, you guys. So let me show you these footages. baby. So now you get a personal VIP look at what the Incubator Experience really, really is and how precious it is to me. Something that I've been doing now the whole month of June. I just started in June, and as you can see, we are off to a very good running start. I'm so excited about the future of the Incubator Experience. Now, you guys, tell me what you think. It's the dopest thing ever. I really love it. I really, really do. I'm so thankful and so proud. Grateful to finally be working back with women. That is something that I missed. If any of the ladies watching this video are old Less Sweat members, you will know what I'm talking about, right? And for all of my many thousands of young people with JBT and girl power, you guys, you know, this is near and dear to me, right? And I'm just, I don't know. I just feel good. I feel good to be able to come back and bring back some solid love and unity in our sisterhood community, okay? So I'm doing this here in Louisville. Who knows what God is getting ready to do, right? I'm just obedient and follow the call. Follow the call, okay? Now, excuse me, for all you ladies that watch this video, please leave me a comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts and your ideas, just how you feel. You got a peek. Now let me know what you think. If you are not a subscriber to Fave Miss Renee channel, girl, what you waiting on? I told you, you're going to love it here. We're doing more than just showing clothes. Although I love clothes, don't get it twisted. I'm just saying, we do so much here. So come be a part of the family. We want you here. We need you here. We're growing. Grow with us. All right? Mwah. See y'all in the next video. Bye.
It's something about the way you stare